Hey guys, Elbene here doing a review of Forex for Beginners Academy for the CEO, Saad Ali. Amazing, amazing trainer. So amazing, in fact, that it felt like a Friday night every time I was about to listen to one of the YouTube videos. I had my popcorn ready. I was getting it in. He takes you from opening your brokerage account to understanding the fundamental and technical analysis, terms like Fibonacci, exponential moving averages, MACD. If those are foreign terms to you, they won't be by the time you're finished his training. I've learned so much, in fact, that I don't recommend this. I'm not saying to do this, but I did. After his training, I jumped into the market and I made $90. I'm only sharing this because it speaks to what an excellent trainer he is and his attention to details, not skipping a beat, making sure that you have all the necessary tools to equip you with being a successful trainer. And again, that's the only reason I'm sharing that. I'm not suggesting to do it because it's not about the money. It's all about the money. No, it's not. It's about understanding what he provides you is just that, a deep understanding of how to read charts, how to safeguard yourself, set up stops, take profits, how to gauge all of that, how to understand what you're seeing on the screen and be a comfortable and successful trader. Thank you, Ali, for the opportunity to understand Forex, and welcome to you to the Forex for Beginners Academy.